Hello, and welcome back, everybody. You may have noticed that there's an NBA Jam for Wii disc right there, so it's hard to notice, but it's like getting some scratches, though. You may have to take a closer look. This one is... You can see a visible crack right there. So, here is this wipe, and I'm gonna wipe this disc. Make sure you not use peanut butter or even toothpaste, because it makes the thing worse. Gently use a wipe or clean cloth to remove any dust particles or other stuff that belongs in there. Then you should put this wipe right there or throw it away. So I am going to get a soft cloth and gently clean all of the stuff off. Now the back. And then it should be good to go.